most common offer in the market is schedule a free consultation, right? Schedule a free time. And the only problem with that is because when everybody's offer sounds the same, it makes your offer, our offer, sound less interesting, right? It doesn't sound as like, wow, that sounds really cool. It's like everybody's offering a free consultation. So it's like if everybody's doing it, it's not, it becomes less interesting, less pattern interrupt, less irresistible, right? You guys will hear Hormozy and Jeremy Miner and all these guys say the same thing, right? You want to have like an irresistible offer, right? You want to have someone say, well, that doesn't sound like everybody else. You don't sound like everybody else. Your offer doesn't sound like everybody else. This sounds different. This sounds unique. This sounds important. And so if it sounds literally exactly like everybody else, is like, hey, blah blah blah, schedule a free time. And again, I didn't watch Rob's video here, so maybe he said something stronger, but I always just want to say for everybody's videos, especially if the goal is business development, to book the meeting. To book a meeting is extremely high commitment, right? That's like making the sale. They're saying, I'm committing to being pitched for 30 plus minutes. I know what's happening and I'm going to do this. So what you have to do is try to make it irresistible for them to commit to that call and to show up to that call. And so there's all these psychological elements, right? FOMO, scarcity. Normally these sessions are $100, $500 an hour. For you, it's free. I only have 3 spots available. You're one of them, right? Those types of language, again, some people hate them. Some people love them because they know that they work for them. There's 2 schools of thought on that, I'm sure. My advice for everybody is to find where it's a balance for you. But the balance is not being on the very uninteresting, boring, hey, free consultation, because that's where everybody's base offer starts. So find your own, flavor or appetite for how much scarcity or FOMO or urgency you want to bring to your offer. But I advise trying to do that. And another way, guys, is value, right? You don't have to have scarcity and FOMO. You can say, when you schedule this, here's the result that you're going to get, right? It's not just a 30-minute, pitch fest. By the end of this call, you're going to have this XYZ in your hands, right? That's a promise of delivery, a promise of value, and another way to separate your free consultation from everybody else's free consultation. So just FYI, anybody that's offering free consultation as your main CTA, think about how you can make that just stronger, sharper. Think about your competition. They likely have the same standard free consultation. And so what can you do in your business and in your offer with your own appetite for marketing and flavor and language and stuff to make your offer sound irresistible?